Welcome to the SLX range installation guide. In this video, we'll show you how to securely install the SLX drywall female clip and male clip. Before we begin, make sure you have the right tools and safety gear. Let's get started. Mark out the clip positions based on the panel layout following the recommended clip layout guides, trying to align with the stud positions where possible. Drill the 40mm diameter hole using the hole saw, cutting through the layer of gypsum board only. Locate the female clip into the hole and then screw through to the stud behind. If the clip misses the stud, metal hollow wall anchors can be used to secure the female clip in place. Center the load chassis in the female clips, then locate the CP01ST center point into the female clip, ensuring it is secure and centered. Offer up the panel to the center points, ensuring the panel is in the expected final position. Press the panel against the center points to mark the position for the male clips. Remove the panel and place in a position to enable the male clips to be secured to the back of the panel. Pre-drill the screws using the center point mark and then screw the male clips in place. Center the load chassis in the female clips and offer up the panel to clip into place. Push the male clips in for the first click. Then, using the adjustability of the female clip, position the panel in the preferred position, then bang home the panel, engaging the second click and locking the panel in place. Your panel is now secured in position. If the panel is not quite in the correct position, the panel can be popped off to the first click, repositioned and then clipped into the final position, engaging the second click. Step back and admire your work. Secure panels with accurate reveals.